welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chen. For today's video, I'm going to share with you my review for Human Nature Acne Defense line. For watching my videos. For today, I'm going to share with you my review for Human Nature Acne Defense line. Okay, so hindi ako masyado ngayong naggagamit ng mga makeup unless na lang kasi nag-start na ako ngayon mag-YouTube, so I was using makeup powder but before I was just using skincare, very basic lang, sabon and acne gel na ito nga siya. This is the first product I got from Human Nature. Oh, by the way, before I start, I just want to let you know that I really love Human Nature. This is the first local brand na nakita ko na cruelty-free and organic. I've been buying their product nung meron pa lang sila is yung sunflower oil. If you've been following Human Heart Nature products, ayun yung best seller nila before. I think until now, nag-expand na kasi sila to selling shampoo, selling mineral makeup na I've been eyeing. Hindi pa ako kumukuha. That's a really nice product to add sa line nila. And they also have the facial wash na, yung mga anti-acne facial oils. Yeah, so iyon. At first, I was, let me check. Nawala yung takip na. Okay. Yeah, so yan na. Ayun, the first product that I got from the Anti-Acne Defense line is the Human Nature Acne Defense Natural Solution Gel. So ito siya. It comes in a box, a cute box. And nasa 200 pesos yung retail price nito. And like my other videos, I'll be showing you the ingredients dito. And also the price. And kung saan ko siya binili. Well, sa mga... Yeah, sa Trinoma ko siya binili before. Kasi doon ako malapit noon. Yeah. Meron siya doon sa department store nila. So, this is na acne gel na meron dapat takip, pero guys, nawala ngayon lang. Ayan, ito siya. Tapos yung pump bottle niya. Very sanitary, just pop. Isa lang kailangan nyo, dab nyo lang. That's the instructions. You don't wipe it sa pimple or sa breakout nyo. Just dab. Ayan. And as far as I'm concerned, 2 days, nawawala na yung breakouts. And what I really love about this Acne Defense Gel is hindi siya gaanong katapang, hindi nagda-dark yung spots na umimpis. Kasi if you've been using acne gels, mapapansin nyo na after umimpis ng pimple nyo, mag-iwan siya ng dark spots na sobrang hirap tanggalin. And kung pwede ko lang din i-share sa inyo, what I do to remove the dark spots is to use Maxi Peel. Yeah, it's so effective in removing dark spots. Kaso ang catch, magkaka-pimple ka ulit. So, ayun, magiging cycle yung pimple, mawawala yung pimple na magkakaroon ulit. Ay nako, nakakasar. So, yun. And that's what, that's the reason why I purchased the whole line. So the Human Nature Acne Defense actually includes 3 products. So basic lang siya. Included dito is yung, oh guys, you can buy this separately ha. I just bought this as a set. Ito, they have the Acne Defense Facial Wash. Ito yung first na gagamitin nyo. Then Acne Defense Facial Toner. Isa lang yung size niya guys, lahat sila. Then ito na yung third, Acne Defense Acne Gel. Acne Gel, ayan. So 3 items sila. Ito again, makeup to na wala. Ayun. I've been been using these products for a month. And first things first, dito tayo sa Human Nature Acne Defense facial wash. Okay, this is 100% no chemical added, again, cruelty-free facial wash. Okay, first amoyin natin siya. Sabi dito, shake well before using. Well, di natin gagamitin. I'm just showing you. Shake niyo muna siya before niyo gamitin. Yung scent niya, guys, mabango. Yeah, scented product siya. Hindi ko masabi kung natural eh. Pero, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung texture niya. Ito siya. Ayan. Parang sipon. Ayan. Clear lang. Yan siya. Yan. Pag gagamit kayo, guys, shake well before using. Then, button size lang yung button size lang yung gagamitin nyo. And, ham a tune, sabi. Well, happy birthday song ka habang naghihilamos para sure na matatanggal yung dirt sa face nyo. And, hindi siya naglalather kasi nga siguro all natural. Walang masyadong nilagay ng chemicals. So, ayun. Hindi siya masyadong naglalather kahit damihan nyo pa yung lagay nyo nitong facial wash. And then, rinse thoroughly. Then, ang next na gagamitin is yung toner. Ito, si toner. Ito. Well, itong si toner, sabi niya, break free from breakouts. Okay, di ba? Then, swipe gently, remove leftover dirt, oil, and makeup. So, kung hindi natanggal ni facial wash, magamitan niyo ng toner. Yan. Para matanggal nga yung mga dumi, then liliit daw yung pores nyo. Again, both of these products, actually 3 of this set, lahat sila tea tree oil ang ingredients. Make sure na hindi kayo allergic sa tea tree oil before using the line. Ayun, suitable for mild to moderate acne. Ito ang catch, guys. Sabi, purging may occur when first using this product. Mind you, when first using this product, you may experience a few more pimples coming out and skin may become more oilier than usual for the first few days. This is normal as the dirt, bacteria, and excess oil surface and your skin adjust to deep cleaning. Purging period may last 1 to 3 weeks. So, dito na tayo nasira, guys. Like I told you, tea tree oil, this one is working so good. It's so good, guys. Kasi ito, facial wash, I've been using it for 2 days, no breakouts. And then, dito tayo bumagsak sa toner. What happened is, I've used the line for a month. Again, wala akong ginagamit, nasa bahay lang ako. I've been using this tree. Hindi na wala yung breakouts ko. Grabe. Ay. So, yun nga. I recommend just use the face wash, use the acne gel, forget about the toner. Kasi this has given me breakouts for a month. And napakasamang breakouts niya. Talaga yung malalaki, mapula. At hindi siya basta-basta natatanggal ng kapatid niyang acne gel. I don't know, bakit kailangan mag-purging? Kasi daw hindi daw sanay yung skin mo maglalabas daw ng dumi. Ganun kadami yung mukha ko. Grabe naman. Isang buwan. More than 1 month because of this toner. Hindi ko na nga alam kung anong gagawin ko para matanggal yung breakouts dahil dito sa toner na to. I went back to the basic again, sabon, then the acne gel. I'm still using this. This is my holy grail, guys. This one, the best. Holy grail. Maganda. Itong facial wash, kung wala kayong ganong facial wash na all natural, go for the facial wash. Okay siya, natural, mild lang yung amoy, nakakalinis, nakakaputi, medyo maliit yung pores. Kung yun yung gusto nyo, again, basic facial wash, and then yung acne gel. But forget about the toner. Woo! Huwag na yan. Because, if it lasts for more than 4 weeks, hindi pa rin okay yung balat, no brainer. Just Tapon nyo na. Hindi kayo hiyang, allergic kayo. Well, I should say that to myself kasi ako yung nag-breakout, diba? Pero nakakatawa. Kasi acne defense, but it made you it gave you more acne. Case-to-case basis siguro, but for me, it did not work. And I won't buy again. Except for this one, I got around 10 of this. I mean, 10, sorry. 5. Nakaubos na ako ng ganito, ilan ito. And it's really working. But for the toner, no. Ayun. So guys, ayun. Yun na yung review ko again for the Acne Defense Facial Wash. Yan, you can buy this sa inyong mga suking tindahan, pati online meron. And it's a good local brand. Support the Philippines for skincare na ganito. Cruelty-free, all-natural, organic. Marami kayong makikitang products na baka gusto nyong i-try. Try nyo yung brochure nila. Marami silang new products. Lagi sila naglalabas ng bago. Marami silang lip balm. I have lip balm. Wait lang. Yeah, ito. So, as a bonus, meron din akong binili na ito. Human Nature lip balm. Tinted lip balm Flame 3. Ito siya. Hindi na siya masyadong kulay, pero tinted. Kukulay pa rin naman, pero hindi na yung drastic na. Yan siya. Ito siya. Yan. Ito yung pinaka-tinted balm nila. Si Red Flame. Ano ba? Red Flame, I think. Again, ito, tinted. Go. Di pa lang napakita sa inyo yung texture, ha? Bago tayo mag-end, makakalimutin ako. Ito yung si Acne Gel. And, si toner. Si toner. Sama pa ba natin? Ay, wala. Liquid lang. Hindi siya makita yun. Tumulo na. Liquid lang. Pare-pare sa naman scent nila eh. Ano lang, hindi nyo makita. Ito si, ito yung ko nakikita. Ayan, yung gel. Kasi yung tumulo kanina si toner. Ayun. So guys, that wraps up our review for today. Again, that's the Human Nature Anti-Acne Defense Line, which unfortunately the toner gave me more acne. Hopefully you can stay tuned for the next video. Do like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Till our next video. Thank you.